Morning, fellas. Ben back again with another one. There is a lockdown that's going on in India now, and the place where I'm at, there's another 6 days more to go until they put an end to the lockdown, or so I believe. But I am using this time to do a lot of good work to the motorcycle, the general service that it requires, the little bit of TLC, the kind of checking and double checking parts that is I mean, I wouldn't call it mandatory, but then again quite important to go into the motorcycle and then strip things and look for wear and tear. And if there needs to be a part that needs to be replaced, go ahead and replace it. So that's all that I've been doing. I'm using this time to be as productive as I can with the motorcycle and 100 other things, but then only the motorcycle part of it just comes to you in the form of these videos. Yes, I have just gotten myself this particular grease. This is from LIQUI MOLY. The whole of it, the packaging has nothing but German on it. And what I did some reading on this particular product online, and what it says is this is good to go on the battery terminals and the plugs and the connectors. I'm not really sure if this is going to act like my dielectric grease. That is, you have to be a little careful with the dielectric grease. You shouldn't be getting it into the metal part of the connectors, is because if dielectric grease gets into the metal, you'll have poor conductivity. It's not going to help conductivity, and it's only good to protect the connectors from water and moisture getting in. So it's more like a sealant. I'm not going to be trying this on my connectors. I'm only going to be trying this on my battery terminal. And what you see me use is a syringe. Why I use a syringe is because it's pretty easy to apply onto the spots directly with a syringe. The whole job becomes a lot more easier if you use an instrument like this. Pretty precise application with a syringe. WD-40 on the terminals, just to clean all the gunk. It's extremely important that you have secure connections on your battery. All sorts of issues start cropping up if you have a loose contact here. That is, the terminals are not of all the gadgets that you have on the motorcycle, and the basic wiring of the motorcycle. If the terminals are not fastened to the battery really well, then you will have all sorts of issues crop up, and you might keep wondering where the source of the problem is. 90% of the times it would be the battery. Well, this is a bit of a tricky design, the way the battery is in hard to reach spot. A lot of work to get to the battery and then to the terminal. So yeah, a bit of a work, but then again, where there is a will, there is always a way. So make it a point to clean the terminals first before you go ahead with a shot of the terminal grease. Nice and clean terminals. And then now what you can do is, like I said, why you have it like that is so that it's a nice and easy job. Anti-rust, anti-corrosion, and that's a done and dusted chapter. Of course, now I have to figure out a way to put this back in without really causing a mess. Yeah. I believe that's it. That's done. And again, they say this is also waterproof grease, so that one coating is going to last a pretty long time on the motorcycle. And yep, that's done it. Now to get the cap back on. There you go. Or if I may, yeah, I'll leave it like that. Where's my microfiber? And wipe off the excess. So that's simple, quick fix to not exactly quick fix, a maintenance procedure if you ask me, which goes a long way. So that's that. There you go. One more video coming to an end. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up and do this to your motorcycles as well. I have about how much? I have about 5 grams remaining. So that's what I told you. You can use this on your cars, on your motorcycles, on all sorts of things, all the battery terminals, and you will still have plenty of it left. So that's it, guys, and we'll see you on another one. Signing out for now.